Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are good. Our today's lesson is subunit number 1, My Cat, from Oxford Modern English book 1. Now let's find out meaning of some difficult words. The first word is catch. Urdu meaning is pakarna, to take and hold something that is moving. The second word is fur, यानी जानवरों के घने बाल. The soft thick hair that covers the body of animals. The third word is hunts. Urdu meaning is shikar, chases other animal for food. The fourth word is smarter. Urdu meaning is समझदार, cleaner and tidier, more intelligent. Let's move toward the reading and explanation of a unit. Basically, it is a poem. I have a cat. मेरे पास बिल्ली है. His name is Rish. उसका नाम रिश है. His fur is white. उसके बाल सफ़ेद रंग के हैं. And he likes fish. और उसको मछली पसंद है. In first stanza of a poem, the poet says that he has a cat whose name is Rish. He has white, thick hair and he likes to eat fish. Now move toward the second stanza. He hunts and walks. वो शिकार करती है और चलती है. About my house. मेरे घर की तरफ. He is always out. वो हमेशा बाहर रहती है. To catch a mouse. चूहों को पकड़ने के लिए. In this stanza, the poet says that he hunts and walks around the house and he is always ready to catch the mouse. Now move toward the third stanza. I play with him. मैं उसके साथ खेलता हूँ and keep him clean. और उसको साफ सुथरा रखता हूँ. A smarter cat. बहुत समझदार बिल्ली. You have never seen. आपने कभी नहीं देखी होगी. In this stanza, the poet says that he play with him and take care him properly. He said his cat is very intelligent. You never seen cat like him ever. Now move toward the exercise of a unit. Part A, understanding the poem. Question number 1, talk about the following with your teacher and then write the answers. A, is Rish male or female? Students, you know that male is the word for a boy or man and female is the word for a girl or woman. So question is Rish male or female? Rish जो है वो मुज़क्कर है या मुअन्नस है? So students, the word for Rish in the poem is used, that was him and his. So the Rish is a male. Rish मुज़क्कर है. B, does Rish have hair or fur? What is it like? क्या रिश के बाल हैं या फर है और वो किसकी तरह है? So students, the answer is Rish have fur. It is white in color. रिश के फर हैं और वो सफ़ेद रंग के हैं. C, what does Rish do in the house? रिश घर में क्या करता है? So the answer is Rish hunts and walks about the house looking for mice. He also eats in the house and plays in the house. Rish चूहों का शिकार करता है और घर के इर्द गिर्द घूमता रहता है. घर के अंदर वो खाता है और खेलता है. D, what do you think Rish does outside the house? आप क्या सोचते हैं कि रिश घर के बाहर जाकर क्या करता है? So the answer is the phrase out to catch mean ready or looking to catch and does not nearly mean outside. So we really does not know that what he does outside. So the house apart from probably chasing mice. So students, हमें ऐसा लगता है कि बिल्ली चूहे का पीछा करने के लिए घर से बाहर जाती है. E, is Rish clever? क्या रिश चालाक है? So the answer is yes. Rish is clever. We were told that we have not seen a smarter cat. रिश चालाक है. हमने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि रिश जैसी समझदार बिल्ली आपने इससे पहले कभी नहीं देखी होगी. F. In your own words say what Rish is like. अपने लफ्ज़ों में बताइए कि रिश को क्या पसंद है. So the answer is Rish like to hunt mice and he like to eat fish. रिश को चूहों का शिकार करना पसंद है और खाने में उसको मछली पसंद है. Part B is working with words. Number 1. Can you hunt like Rish? Find the words. They are all in the poem. The letters are jumbled. So student, the spelling are not correct. So you have to write these letters in sequence and make a right word. A, T, A, C. So when we write these letters in sequence, so the word is cat. B, R, U, F. So right word is F, U, R. Fur. C, S, H, I, F. So the right word is F, I, S, H. Fish. D, U, S, H, O, E. So the right word is H, O, U, S, E. House. E, U, S, O, M, E. So the right word is M, O, U, S, E. Mouse. F, Y, A, L, P. So the right word is P, L, A, Y. Play. G, S, H, U, N, T. So the right word is H, U, N, T, S. Hunts. The last word is M, A, N, E. So the right word is N, A, M, E. Name. Part C. Learning about language. Prepositions. A preposition show the position between one noun and other. So students, preposition is basically used for a position. Example, the cat is on the table. बिल्ली टेबल के ऊपर बैठी हुई है. So the word under, नीचे, on, ऊपर, down, नीचे, up, ऊपर. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using the correct preposition given in the box on page 10. सफ़ा नंबर 10 पर बॉक्स में जो लफ्ज़ लिखे हुए हैं उनकी मदद से खाली जगह को पुर करें. A. Anwar is dash the log. So students, you see that Anwar is sitting on the log. B. Anwar is dash the tree. Anwar is climbing up the tree. Anwar दरख्त के ऊपर चढ़ रहा है. C. The leaf is falling dash. The leaf is falling down. पत्ता नीचे गिर रहा है. D. The ant is dash the leaf. The ant is under the leaf. चूंटी पत्ते के नीचे है. Part D is listening and speaking. Read the words loud. So first word is CH. It produces a sound ch. CHIP chip. CHIN chin. CHOP chop. CHAP chap. Second word is SH. It's produce sound sh. SHIP ship. SHIN chin. SHOP shop. SHOT short. TH produce sound th. THICK thick. THIN thin. WITH with. CLOTH cloth. THIS this. THAT that. THE the. THECE these.